This is the mixture of the spruce and some other vegetable. You know, I want to discuss about this FFJ. You know, this FFJ meaning is the fermented fruit juice. This fermented fruit juice, this fermented fruit juice, we can use that in the vegetables that we want to like to produce of more fruits, because of some vegetable that we are like to have fruits, but we are longing to wait because of the vegetable that we are planted, it is not giving of more fruits. And when we see some other farm, their vegetable are giving of more fruits. Like, for example, if we have eggplant or tomato or cucumber, squash, that have only very little only fruits that are giving. Sometimes also they give only more flowers, not fruits they are giving. So this means that our plants have taking only lack of nutrients from the soil. So if we have fermented fruit juice, this will help our plants to produce of more fruits. And also the advantage of this fermented fruit juice, this also will give to make sweet the fruits that our plants will give, they give. You know, this fermented fruit juice also we can use only, not only in the vegetable, we can use that also in our trees. Any trees that we have in our farm or in our yard, any trees, let's say avocado or mango or rambutan, mangustin, any fruits that our need to have giving of fruits of very sweet fruits. This fermented fruit juice, this will help to give or to help our trees to produce the sweet fruits. You know, this FFJ only, this very easy to collect, because the ingredients of this FFJ, only some our leftover fruits that we have in our kitchen. And also this if we have some overripe fruits, let's say banana, before we have banana, if we have too much banana, like before when I am in the Philippines, that I have more banana, this saba banana, and then sometimes I forget to take because of I'm too much busy. This, when I see this is all overripe, so this banana we can use this only also to become a fermented fruit juice. And then if we have also some papaya or anything, or watermelon, or much better is the fruits that we are using is the sweet fruits. If we have some, like the also the jackfruit, this is very sweet. See this jackfruit, so we can use that. The ripe mango, this we can use, because the better is the sweet fruits that we will use in the FFJ making. And also after that, if we have sugar, we can add also sugar to the mixture of that. And if we have also molasses, we can add this. But if we have no sugar, or because you know the sugar now is very high price, so we can mix only that only this mixture of fruits only. If we have no some fruits like that, or lack of fruits that we have, we can use also only the some banana peel. We can use this also. If we have only banana peel, so we can use. If we have papaya peel, so we can use only this peel only. And then this we will cutting this by small pieces, and then chopping very small, so that is very easy to dissolve. And after that, this mixture we will put that in the ah and after that they put into some container, and then cover only with also put this little water. What is the height of our fruits mixture? This is only we put only this water up to there, only that level, and then this cover with cloth, or if you are using this container lid, so we will not close the lid tightly, only small, that so that the oxygen will come out, because this mixture, this the more you store this is producing of more oxygen. That's why you cannot fully tight this lid. So that's why the more people that are making of FFJ, they using only the cloth to cover this, and then this mixture will put in in the in the space, or in the area that that in cool area, that is not exposing on the sunshine. And after that, we will store only this minimum of 2 weeks. Then after 2 weeks, the long time you store this mixture is the better. If we store this a month, and then it is the more power than the mixture that we store of 2 weeks. If we store this 2 months, this more power than the we store in 1 month. The more we store this, the more power that we will harvest of this mixture, this FFJ. And then after that, this we will collecting this, we will screen this, because if we will not screening this juice, to collect the juice, so if we will using in the sprayer, so this it will damage our sprayer. You know, this FFJ, this is very strong, so we cannot use this directly. So we must to dilute this in the clean water. Let's say the percentage is 1:10. If we will take 1 cup of this FFJ, and then we will put that in the 10 cups of clean water, and then after that, this we will mix this, and then we will put that in our sprayer, and then this we will use that in the any vegetable that we want that vegetable to give more fruits. Any vegetable like cucumber, eggplant, tomato, or anything, any vegetable that you are planted in your in your garden or in your farm. We can use that also in our trees also, because you know, some trees that we are picking up these fruits, as when we eat that fruits are not sweet, this FFJ also can help the trees also to produce fruits that are sweet, because that FFJ is more potassium that are producing this FFJ. So, and good also to this mixture is very easy to collect. We can collect only in the, even in our yard, that you know, sometimes we are looking in the tree that some fruits are only falling in downside in the tree, and then will damage this. We can collect that, so make that but we will choose the fruits that are not fully damaged, or because maybe, because you know, maybe there is some bad bacteria there, because we need only the good bacteria to be multiply in our this mixture also. Or even in the market, because some fruits only they are overripe in the market, they are only dumping in the dumping area, so we can collect this, but don't forget to wash before this making of fermented fruit juice, so that we are surely that we can collect only, and we can produce the only the good microbes, or the good bacteria only, so that what we are harvesting is for our plants. We were spraying to the plants with good bacteria that will help our plants, vegetable or trees to produce more fruits for us. Oh, that is the video for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and follow in our video. Thank you very much.